People not play. Run, can I jump? Watch out, run, can I jump? She can't get it. See you all blessed. Rope is where I go for. There's no joke about it. For people, for vehicle. People when they mash it, we not play around here. Pull us. People they tired.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, the residents of Bath, St. Thomas is still on the hunt for Davian Bryin, the man who kidnapped 2 young girls who have since then been found and returned safely to their families. However, a young man has reached out to me seeking assistance in clearing his name. As he says, persons has taken his photograph, uploaded it to social media, and is accusing him of being affiliated with Davian Bryin, and is saying he is the one charging cell phones for Davian while he is on the run. The young man claims that he is innocent and he is in no way affiliated with Davian, and the only thing he knows of him is what he sees on social media. Him send me a video, and viewers, let's take a listen to what he has to say.
Good morning, Jamaica and the world. I am Dwight Archat, recording artist Davian RG. I was recently accused in my village by my picture. A picture that looked like this. I am giving an example of the picture to let people around the world know why I am in this situation of accusation in society. When the affliction took place in my district of finding the missing girl, men from in my vicinity went out and hunted. When they find the girl, someone from my area was trying to take picture with the girl. I wasn't there, but I hear the information. Someone from my area was trying to take picture with the girl, and someone said, "Do not do that." So some war vibes create by that action that took place, and when everything resolved now and the people in come out the road, all of the Batman then attack a man from Arcade, lick him in his face somewhere up here so. I know me get lick. I tell you now where this thing a come from. Me no get no lick. So the other day now, after the youth get lick, me come down the road that a Sunday. If you come look my little food for go back go cook Sunday morning, me see a barrage of person come down. Whole heap of people come down from other districts in a vehicle say them a look for the boy where they licking in his face yesterday. Me there over one lady yard now where I shop there listen and I look what I go on. No know say me the man then come for. The man them a describe me. Say and me then come for. Me no get no licking on my face, you know. I mean no, and the man no know me or no know me. Nobody no know me in this situation. So what I came on this interview to point out about myself. I made up on the picture stage so. Me is an entertainer. People know me as a recording artist. So I come on this interview to clarify my image. How this image thing became when they attacked me, someone with a licensed firearm, 2 persons with a licensed firearm was there at the area where the crowd was, and them licked 2 shots So it ease off the man them will come to attack me innocently because someone has painted a picture wrongfully say and me get licking on my face and a Long Hill come from. Me come from Long Hill, brethren. Me no get no licking on my face. Nobody no lick me, nobody no in an argument with me. Nothing like that, something there. When the license firearm holder lick the shot, at them time they say I go call a special force to protect me because me not involved. So when the special force come now, the special force want to know why them attack me. I me not involved. So me go in for questioning when me leave my district. Me go in for them ask me if me can get questioning and me say yes, I am willing to come into the police station to give my speech. You know, they want to know something because me is a man from the district. So them bring me out, then cover me up. Nobody no see when me go in it. Not the vehicle. But they know say somebody get take away in the vehicle. When me come to the station now and me get me questioning, me never know what I go on out the road. Who say them a plot me up there now. True me get take away in the police vehicle. When me the station I get my questioning. To my understanding, me a hear say police their station a beat me fi question me, torture me, and all of them something there. And in my understanding, they are accusing also the police force of hurting me, and I don't get no hurt. And I feel no pain. So them a tell lie on the police force to say the police force beat me fi get question and me know the pitney and one bag of something. Nothing like that. Them bring me in, fi question me, then take care of me, and then bring me back to my yard. You understand? So police not take me up because of the child. Police not take me up because I know the man. You understand? Police take me up for protection from civilians. We come to attack me because I misimage the person will get licking in his face. I know him this. And my friend them, I fi tell them say yo, couple of my big man friend them, I fi tell them say yo, nobody not there up here with none tattoo in her face. You see me? No brown Indian youth not there up a Long Hill with none tattoo in her face. Then time they all edit my picture, make me look brown, and well set me up. So where all these big hands from? Me go in for question to police in the police station. Why them attack me? You see me? Police they not take me up because of the child. The child don't know me. Me innocent. Me is a recording artist in my village. So people paint up something on my picture and send it out. And I settings where the police them even ask me. Them even ask me them thing them they are my yard. The police bring me one soldier. Them protect me. You see me? Because somebody make a wrong decision by sending out my picture publicly and saying things. I am Dwight Archat, I am a recording artist, Tevin Archie. Nothing else them you no deal with more than book and pen and fork and machete and hoe and seeds, water. You see me? Just look for me, brethren, the long nose schoolie boy, he no do nothing. I try to tell the world, me no do nothing like those things. I have a young 9 months daughter. Yeah. 9 months. I have to support her, I love her, and I have to stay positive within myself. If she grow and see a real father. all who are trying to tarnish my life with my image, Bryin. So no stop. Because the police force now look for me. And not this face them I look for. The girl no know me, bro. No, but none of them no know me where in a them problem. A people in a my district are set up me. For involve in a that. Through my picture alone. A dead then just want me for dead. For nothing. No scratch, no pain, no depend me, and then say police torture me. The things them where I talk about my district are it. Them send out. So, further note, I have to free up my picture for my happiness. Because somebody I try to torture my career, you see me? Now then something they Bryin, me write music and stay to myself. You see me? So, have a blessed day. Give thanks for watching. And just continue pray. So the raper man get catch. Because them want him alive to get questioning. I mean need my picture to free up. Who say they want to find man and a chop up man and a kill man. Make sure say yo, we no find the right man. That's all I say. The right man we want. Me have a song I go release in the next 3 weeks after this interview. I want to listen that song and be a man and fight. You see me? Cause the street, it's not easy. You see me? I'm innocent to this. Nobody never lick me. Me not involved with nobody from overboard. If a man come back to me, say me no man. So someone from my district plot me up. Through them want the man then come attack me. That me see, you know. So me guys station now. I'm there. No police now run me down. The police then get all of me information, them, all of me background them. Then check my phone, everything. Then I take no fingerprint with me. Me no got no ID parade. Then I do nothing with me more than question me and bring me back home. I guess when I come home back, all of them are plot up with my picture and I go so. So I beg on Jamaica, I love on the world. You know why I tell you this? I sing music for highlight love in everybody's heart. That's my job and gift. So me is a people person. What them I try to do, I kill them I try to kill God gift. But in the name of Jesus Christ, in the name of Jesus Christ, them are going to find that raper man and destroy him. Them are going to find him. Because me innocent. People need to find him and know him. My name Dwight. And me have the star right here, so me is an entertainer. Nobody don't know me as them kind of person there. Someone a paint up my picture, Bryin. And me need it to stop. Because I have a life to live. I have my daughter. You see me? And I know badness thing, you know. I try to make myself clear as possible without stuttering. Respect to all of the viewers. More love. More positivity. Respect.
Now, Unstoppable family, the young man says that the police interrogated him for 3 whole days and then released him because there was nothing linking him to the criminal on the run. Right now, he says that the police actually have to be checking in on him to make sure that he is okay. So, what I want to do for me right now is share this video so that the residents of Bath, I know you out for blood, I know no need to find Davian, but please, we don't want no more innocent life to get taken, as what we see happen recently. Alright? Please, if you don't know that you are innocent, don't bother act on hearsay, think logically. Alright? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.